Hi friends, welcome to Fabulous Chef. In today's video, let's see how to make a delicious and easy French toast recipe. So first let us see the ingredients. We need about 1 glass of milk, some sugar, some butter, 2 eggs. So for 1 glass of milk, 2 eggs would be sufficient. So take a mixer jar. Let's add the milk. The milk should not be hot, it should be at room temperature or cold. So let's add 2 eggs. And also let's add the sugar into the milk. I've taken about 3 tablespoons of sugar. You can alter the sugar according to your taste. So let us beat it well and keep it aside. Take some fresh bread slices. Now let's prepare for the French toast. I've taken the bread slices, the egg and milk mixture and the butter. Keep it near the hot pan. When the pan is nice and hot, let's add about 1 tablespoon of butter and spread it around the pan. Now take the bread slice one by one, dip it in the milk and egg mixture, coat it on both sides and place it on the hot pan. Let it get nice and crispy. Be careful while turning the bread as it's very soft and tender. Apply some butter around the bread so that the bread is nice and crispy on the outside, soft and moist in the inside. The bread is very soft and moist, so be careful while turning it around. Let it cook on both sides. You can also add a few drops of vanilla essence for flavor into the milk. You can serve it with a nice jam or a maple syrup. Do try this recipe, like, subscribe to my channel and leave your comments below.